Here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna have to fix you, manage you to on a more personal scale, a more micro form of management. Jim, what's that called? Boom. Yes. Now Jim is gonna have a client. Dwight, you're gonna have to sell to him without being aggressive, hostile, or difficult. Let's go.
All right, fine. Bling, bling. Hello, this is Dwight Schrute from the Dunder Mifflin Paper Company. Excellent, then you were in luck because we're having a limited time offer only on everything.
Ask him his name.
What is your name, sir? Really, that's your real name?
Be respectful, Dwight, please.
Yes, Michael. What? Nope, but I'm on hold.
It's up to you. Change his mind.
Oh no, what's wrong?
Boundaries, Dwight. Come on.
As I was saying, we're having a limited time.
He's hard if he's old, man.
Okay, as I was saying, right now we are having... Okay, our prices have never been lower. Never been lower. Butt liquor! Our prices have never been lower! Please, Mr. Buttlicker. Please give me another chance. Mr. Buttlicker,